Have you ever wondered why, despite all your hard work, you're still not seeing the financial success you deserve? If so, you're not alone. After 25 years of professional experience, we've seen certain habits and mindsets silently sabotaging people's wealth potential without them even realizing it. With 2025 just around the corner, now it's the perfect time to take control of your financial future. Today, we are diving into four key things you need to stop doing if you want to unlock real wealth and success in the coming year. These aren't your typical tips. We're tackling the deeply ingrained behaviors that might be holding you back from getting rich. Let's get into it. Number one, stop living with a scarcity mindset. Decades ago, Carol Dweck and her colleagues conducted a pivotal study on students' attitudes towards failure. They found that some students bounced back quickly from setbacks, while others were devastated by even minor failures. This research led to the concept of fixed and growth mindsets. When students believed they could improve through effort, they worked harder, became more resilient, and achieved more. Dweck and her colleagues started a series of interventions showing that we can, in fact, shift a person's mindset from fixed to growth. When this happens, it boosts motivation and leads to higher achievement. For instance, seventh graders who were taught that intelligence can develop and learn how the brain strengthens through effort saw a noticeable improvement in their math grades. Now, let's apply this to money. A scarcity mindset is like the fixed mindset for finances. It's the belief that there's never enough, whether it's money, opportunities, or resources. People stuck in this mindset constantly fear they'll run out or lose what they have. But the key to wealth building lies in cultivating an abundance mindset. Just as students who believed in their ability to grow put in more effort and saw better results, those who embrace financial abundance trust that opportunities and wealth are limitless. Instead of focusing on what they lack, they focus on creating, growing, and expanding their resources. They understand that by investing wisely and taking calculated risks, they can generate more wealth over time. So, if you want to break free from the scarcity trap and unlock your full financial potential, shift your focus. Believe that opportunities are out there waiting for you, and approach money with the mindset that more is always possible. The second thing to stop doing is skimping, particularly when it comes to investing in yourself. This isn't just about avoiding luxury purchases, it's about not cutting corners on critical investments that can accelerate your personal and professional growth. Education and continual learning are prime examples. Many people try to save by choosing cheaper courses or skipping out on further training, thinking they're being frugal. But in reality, skipping in these areas can cost you far more in the long run. I love this quote by Jim Rohn. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. So, investing in high-quality education or additional courses may come with a higher upfront cost, but the returns in productivity and performance are invaluable. In my own experience, investments in education have paid off significantly, allowing me to increase my productivity, enhance my expertise, and open new doors in my career. The tension between being frugal and being wise with money often lies in understanding the difference between cost and value. Being wise with your money means recognizing when an investment will bring you long-term benefits. When you're evaluating whether to invest in a course, training, or tool, just ask yourself, will this make me more efficient, save me time, or increase the quality of my work? If the answer is yes, it's worth the investment. Number 3, stop doing everything yourself. One of the most liberating decisions I made both as a mother and an entrepreneur was to stop trying to do everything myself. In the beginning, I thought that taking on every responsibility, from running my business to managing household chores, was just part of being productive. I believed that doing everything on my own saved money, but in reality, it was costing me far more than I realized. As a mother, I often found myself sacrificing the time I wanted to spend with my child in order to do tasks like cleaning the house. As an entrepreneur, I was trying to balance it all, and it took a toll on my energy and productivity. Eventually, I sat down and calculated what my time was worth. My hourly wage as a business owner was significantly higher than what I would pay for an extra pair of hands to help with cleaning. Once I decided to hire someone to help with household chores, it freed up so much more than just my time. It freed my mind. Suddenly, I had the flexibility to focus on high value activities like growing my business, taking extra courses to expand my skills, or simply spending more quality time with my child. That time was invaluable and fed my soul in ways that no amount of extra work could. So, if you're trying to do everything yourself, it's time to stop. Your time is your most precious resource. By outsourcing tasks that don't require your expertise, you can focus on the things that bring you joy and move you closer to your goals. Whether it's hiring a virtual assistant, leveraging freelancers, or simply bringing in help for household tasks, smart delegation is the key to scaling your life and business effectively. Finally, number 4. Stop relying on being physically present to earn. One of the biggest limitations to growing wealth is relying solely on being physically present to make money. If your income is tied to you showing up in person, you're capping your earning potential and limiting your freedom. As Warren Buffett famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. In 2025, this is truer than ever. The rise of technology and the digital economy has opened up endless possibilities for generating passive or location-independent income. So, there's no reason to limit yourself to the traditional model of trading time for money. Let's talk about 3 concrete options for building passive income streams. Number 1. Real estate investments. Investing in real estate is one of the most powerful ways to generate passive income. Rental properties, for example, offer ongoing monthly income while appreciating or growing in value over time. Even with the initial work of purchasing and maintaining the property, real estate can generate cash flow for years. You can also explore real estate investment trusts or REITs, which allow you to invest in large-scale, income-generating real estate without the hassle of managing properties yourself. REITs provide dividends from the rental income generated by the properties they own, making them a hands-off way to invest in real estate. Number 2. Stocks and bonds. Stocks and bonds are another proven route to building passive income. When you invest in stocks, particularly dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular payouts just for holding them. Dividends are portions of a company's profits that are distributed to shareholders, and they can be reinvested to grow your portfolio even further. Bonds, on the other hand, provide fixed interest payments over time and are generally less volatile than stocks, offering a safer income stream. Whether through individual stocks or bonds or through mutual funds and ETFs, investing in these assets can build a steady stream of income with relatively little ongoing effort, especially if you automate your investment strategy. Check out our video on ETFs, see the link below. Number 3. Creation of digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating digital products like online courses, ebooks, or other educational content can be a highly lucrative passive income stream. Unlike real estate or stocks, digital products require minimal upfront investment beyond your time and knowledge. Once the product is created, it can generate ongoing income long after the initial effort. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad make it easy to sell your content to a global audience, turning your knowledge into a digital asset. Relying solely on being physically present is risky because it limits scalability and flexibility. What happens if you cannot show up due to illness or family emergencies? Or what if you want to travel, spend more time with loved ones, or focus on self-care? Building systems, creating digital assets, or automating income streams gives you more freedom. So, to recap, by letting go of these limiting habits, you can create the financial future you deserve. Remember, wealth building isn't just about the money you make, it's about the mindset, habits, and systems you build along the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of Finance Freedom friends for more tips on unlocking financial freedom in 2025.